Well, good afternoon, magandang hapon, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today we are going to do a very short product review, and it has to do with some place to store some of your scraps when you're working in a workshop like we have down here. We just got done with a really big wardrobe project upstairs, and I'm cleaning up the workshop here today. And I just found out I've got a bunch of these little pieces of wood that I need to find a place to stick them, because I could use those for little things around the workshop. Anyway, that's what today's episode is going to be. So let's go ahead and get today's episode started. Now, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Now, we are going to start today's episode with a little story. Anyway, this is the tool organizer that I just installed the other day. Remember, I purchased this on Amazon.com. We did a video, and this is for my DeWalt cordless tools back here. And it makes it so easy to find things, and actually, it gives me the incentive, the motivation to go ahead and do some additional tools, because I can just grab my tool, grab my battery, grab a drill bit, and then head around the shop and just start drilling away. And just today alone, I went over here and I installed this track rail system. Just drilled a hole in the wall, put an anchor and a screw, and this is the clamps for the track rail system. The Bosch track rail system has really helped on that last project that we did for the built-in custom wardrobes upstairs. I just installed this little rack holder right here for my favorite shovel here, and I'm doing some other projects right now. But today I want to do something. I want to try to figure out what I can do while I'm cleaning back here, doing all this cleaning in the workshop. I got this bucket. I throw these little remnant pieces of wood because I can use them for shims. I can use them for all kind of things, but I hate them sitting and taking up space up here. Now, I built this little roll-around box right here, this roll-around box for remnants. That's the main purpose of this. It's for remnant pieces of wood, and I can use these in projects. I can build like, if I want to use, I still have wood here. I can make the drawers for a cabinet or something like that. But I wanted to do something with this bucket. I just got to thinking, oh my goodness, the company that sent me the tool organizer over there as a gift and for a review. And that's sometimes what happens when you're a product reviewer on YouTube. Companies will send you something. So they sent me something in this box, and I forgot what it was until I was over there looking at that bucket. I needed a place to put that bucket. And that's what today's episode is going to be about. So let's go ahead and look what's inside the box over here, and then see how we can apply it to my problem of that bucket over there with all those little pieces of wood. Now, this box, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up the box here. And I just want to tell you the little story behind this again. Is I told the company that I really like their product. I do product reviews all the time, not just here on YouTube, but I do product reviews on Amazon. I do product reviews on Lazada. If I find something I like, I want the company to know that I like it, and I appreciate their thought involved in going in and making a good quality product. At the same time, I also let companies know if there is something that I don't like. Now, inside this box is a bracket. This is a mounting bracket, and you can see what it looks like right here, or if I put it straight side up. And remember, I ordered it from C2M. This was from C2M on Amazon. I'll leave a link in today's description block for this particular product, in case you're interested in something like this. What this allows you to do, this allows you to take like a trash can or a bucket, or if you're in the U.S. and you get those really neat buckets from like Lowe's or Home Depot, those little construction buckets, and if you want to hang it up inside your garage on the wall, or in the kitchen if you want to hang up your trash can on the wall, that's what this is for. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. Pretty much is going to look like what it looks like on the picture on the outside, I am sure. And here you go. Well, there's actually two. There are two. Oh, this is awesome. I thought there was only going to be one inside here, but we actually have two. And I'm going to, there's no instructions inside here because I think it's pretty simple. I think the way it works is you mount this on the wall and these little clips right here. You hang the lip of your trash can or whatever receptacle that you have on this one and on these little clips right here. And you have a way of mounting a trash can or some type of a bucket in a good place on the wall. So my plan for today is to mount this on here. We're going to put the bucket on the sides so all the spare parts of the wood are located in the same place. And if you were mounting this on a concrete wall and you had a really heavy bucket that you wanted to put on here, a really heavy container, or if you were mounting this, say like on a wall that was made with sheetrock and maybe a stud in the back, it actually comes with these screws and these wall anchors inside the back. But we're not going to use these today here since we're going to be mounting it on the side of this wood bin. I have some number 7 wood screws right here, 3/4 inch number 7, and I'll be putting these inside here since that bucket isn't really that heavy. Well, there you have it. A very simple solution that gives you the ability to mount whatever you need inside your utility room, inside your workshop, inside your kitchen. A bucket, a trash can. There's probably so many things that I thought of like a dozen things while I was sitting right here that I'm like, oh, I know I can use it for this and that. So I'm glad there's an extra bracket inside the box, and I might be ordering some more. Something that came off the top of my mind is mounting a ladder. This is great for mounting a ladder up on the wall. You just mount this to the wall, got your little hooks inside there, and you have a secure way of securing your ladder up in your wall, and it looks very nice. So anyway, there are as many things as your imagination will allow to be able to use this hanging bracket. Now, if you're interested in this product right here, I'm not sure that it's on Amazon.com right now. It could be, I don't know. If it is, I'll give you the link. I'll take a look at it after I finish up today's episode. But the manufacturer told me this is a brand new item on the market right now, and they wanted to send me one so I can tell them what I think about it. And I like it. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up because it meets my needs. It's got a fine finish, fine fit. Everything looks very good to specs. I'm really happy with this. Anyway, if you want to go to their website is www.concept2market.com with the number 2 between concept and market. Anyway, you can check out and see if you like this product, if there's any other products that they have that you might be interested in. Anyway, that's about it for today's episode. If you enjoy these kind of product reviews and the other things that we do here on My PI Dream, please give me a thumbs up. Please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart. In the bottom right hand side of your screen, you'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So anyway, from the basement of Villa Feliz in the very, very beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you're interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.